Welcome to the Ponderous Brick Thinker. This is another installment in Learning from the Pros series. We are continuing to use LEGO Creator Set 31139 Cozy House. We are in the second bag component after completing the first one. And now we're gonna mix and match the minifigs parts here. And this set, they really like their mugs. Okay, and assuming that this is going to be the combination for the next minifig here. Okay. Oh, and then there is a accessory being built. It could be some kind of robot. Let's see, what could it be? A vacuum cleaner, but not really. Well, that's what they imagined. With the available pieces. So they use this detail piece that is a quarter circle in different ways and always not on the grid. Can't be an animal. That seems like kind of a vacuum of some sort. We'll see how the rest of it looks. Oh, okay, now we're going to build the other base. Maybe next time, if I do create another 3-in-1 creator set, get smaller. But I kind of like that I can see all the pieces at once, or most of them, and easily see where they are at. Can't quite get them all in frame though. Okay, so this one's built up more than the other one. It's a bit more house space. Yep. Okay, I see it on the box. This one does protrude further. Let's see. On that one. Okay, so here's that same pattern. Yep. Okay, so that's another way of doing it. I see how they have done it. They created a pattern and switched it around. They used it the same in the previous bag of this house. And so in this one, they rotated that pattern around. Here, and this one shares. And it does look a bit random, but also very aesthetically pleasing. And so the position of these beige, and I guess one of those nougat, but I can't be certain which one, just come across in the descriptions of colors, but doesn't always have to be this one's above that one. Oh, so we're going to attach it right away, probably so that we can build over this hinge. Like that. See if that works. Oh. Fence on the inside, interesting. Okay. Interesting. Oh, that one's already there. So I just need 4. Okay. Basically all of these L shapes. Okay, hopefully it's strong enough because right now below this column is a hinge to connect to the other portion of the house. Usually there is some resistance to moving or pulling it apart and even enclosing it. So see if how that's going to go. They reversed it. Okay, well, I don't want to break it. There we go. Kind of skew it. Oops. There. It's kind of nice. Not this kind. The telescopes have proven to be a really good detail. It's a small piece with a lot of different widths that other bricks lack, so that's why probably they're using it in a lot of places. Well, that's interesting. Let's plate on top and a plate on bottom. Okay, that's interesting to note about the telescopes. They're one short of a plate. There's a two. It's a brick and two plates high. That's why it was kind of unexpected configuration for that beam. Well, that's peculiar. I don't see any more white single step plates. In the previous, so the previous house design had a modification episode, which I took things out. I rearranged them, and I use the white plates as a brick. And I don't know if I took them apart, and they're just hiding somewhere. Okay, let me double check I did not use them somewhere else. Especially that would have been a single stud brick. A little preview. Everything seems to be where it should be. Right where it should be. Curious. Let me double check here. Ah, there you are. Yeah, I didn't pull it apart. There. Uh-huh. Turn around. Why? Okay, yeah. I was wondering that if it was going to be one edge hanging over. There we go. Got detached, that's fine. It's gonna get a little crowded. Now they had to be attached. Well, that's a neat thing. Okay, so there is a certain portion where it does connect, okay. And then the semicircles make a complete... I don't know, will I fit? There we go. Oh yeah, you can see the instructions on the lego.com website. I believe it's in the help tab and then instructions. And there's other sources where you can find the instructions if you really want to see them. Right now it's just a reference to where I'm at in the process rather than showing the instructions of how to do it. Okay, then we're going to pull away. So when I do get to my own builds, I'll have to consider space, how much space I need to allocate for that. For the bricks to use, the construction, probably have to find another angle that can get it all. That looks nice. Goes back here. Then the hinge. Oops, I think I got it backwards. The gray should be on the chimney side. Or the fireplace, I mean. Flawless. Okay. Ooh. Guess it's a turquoise, then a green, then a flower. Then I need a gray. So I'm going to go right where the window's at. That seems spacious, but then I see, okay, maybe they're going to make a share now. So that's a fine, okay, space to play with. And then I guess it's just the intent of this set to do furniture, which is helpful. So all the soft, well, I call it soft, but they're really roundish edges, decorative pieces that really make it look soft. And it's a good contrast against, the regular orthogonal shape of a Lego brick. I like how that looks. It's like a puffy pillow. Okay, so it's going to be right here. Once set away from the fireplace. Oh, and that's it for bag 2. We'll continue bag 3 in the next installment. A little review. Really like the telescopes. Liked how they have a set pattern and then just have variations of it to kind of make it look random, but still unified. The fireplace, I liked how it turned out. The masonry really does give it almost like a real world look. It's not an abstract, it's more not exactly one-to-one, but it does read like a fireplace. The share, always great to know how to make furniture. The only thing is something like that. If there is, it's a way to have a color, a round plate like that, but with studs so that the minifigs can stay in place. But yeah. So in this case, it works in terms of scale. And over here, barely. I know we have a lot of accessories, but yeah. The smoothness does not help with the sitting situation. Aesthetically, yeah, it looks cool, but for play purposes, not so much. Okay, so that'll be it for this installment. I'll continue going on through this version or this house design and see what else I can learn or what else I can pick up. Okay, see you next time. Bye.